Judges, famine's call. To Moab's fields we lost it all. Elimelech gone, sons followed soon. Naomi's heart beneath the moon. Oh, journey of loyalty, of hope and despair. In fields of sorrow, God's love repairs. From Moab's land to Bethlehem's light, we walk by faith, not by sight. Bethlehem's fields with harvest grain called Naomi back through her pain. Orpah stayed, but Ruth remained. In love and loyalty, bonds unchained. Oh, journey of loyalty, of hope and despair. In fields of sorrow, God's love repairs. From Moab's land to Bethlehem's light, we walk by faith, not by sight. Where you go, I will go too. Your God, my God, His promise true. In covenant love, a new day born. Through sorrow's night to hope's bright morn. Bethlehem's gates they entered in. Naomi married bitterness within. Yet harvest time, God's grace revealed. In fields of hope their fate was sealed. Oh, journey of loyalty, of hope and despair. In fields of sorrow, God's love repairs. From Moab's land to Bethlehem's light, we walk by faith, not by sight. In days of judges, famine's call. To Moab's fields, we lost it all. Yet through the journey, God's love prevailed. In Ruth's embrace, His plan unveiled. Fields where harvests grow, a humble heart with seeds to sow. Ruth gleaned with hands both worn and true. In Boaz fields her hope anew. Oh, fields of grace where mercy's shown. In kindness and love God's care is known. From Moab's land to Bethlehem's light, we find our hope in fields of right. Boaz saw her and kindness flowed. In his heart God's mercy glowed. Stay and glean, you'll find your place under God's protecting grace. Oh, fields of grace where mercy's shown. In kindness and love God's care is known. From Moab's land to Bethlehem's light, we find our hope in fields of right. Blessed be Boaz, Naomi cried. God's provision will abide. In the fields our paths are set. In grace and love we are met. Ruth returned, her story told. Naomi's heart no longer cold. In Boaz fields they saw the plan, God's redemption for all men. Oh, fields of grace where mercy shone. In kindness and love God's care is known. From Moab's land to Bethlehem's light, we find our hope in fields of right. In Bethlehem's fields where harvests grow, a story of grace begins to show. Through kindness, hope, and divine embrace, we walk in God's unending grace. By the heart's one glow, a plan devised, Naomi's wisdom, Ruth's trust realized. Go, my daughter, seek his care, find the Redeemer waiting there. Oh, promise of redemption, hope renewed. In fields of faith, God's love pursued. From threshing floor to morning light, in acts of trust we find his might. In the still of night, she made her plea. At Boaz's feet, bold yet free. Cover me with your protection true, as kinsman redeemer I ask of you. Oh, promise of redemption, hope renewed. In fields of faith, God's love pursued. From threshing floor to morning light, in acts of trust we find his might. With honor and grace I will fulfill the promised feet, bold yet free. Barley's gift, a token sure of love and care that will endure. At dawn's first light, a vow was made. In trust and hope, fears allayed, Ruth returned with heart aglow. In God's provision, faith will grow. Oh, promise of redemption, hope renewed. In fields of faith, God's love pursued. From threshing floor to morning light, in acts of trust we find his might. By the heart's one glow, a plan devised, Naomi's wisdom, Ruth's trust realized. In God's great plan we see unfold a story of love and faith retold. At the city gate a redeemer stands. Boaz speaks with righteous hands to redeem the land and Ruth his bride. In God's great plan they both abide. Oh, redeemed and restored by grace, in the lineage of faith we find our place. From Ruth's bold heart to David's throne, God's love and mercy clearly shown. With called by grace. In the lineage of faith we find our place. From Ruth's bold heart to David's throne, God's love and mercy clearly shone. Naomi's heart with joy renewed, in Obed's birth her hope imbued. God's provision life restored, in her story grace outpoured. From Obed's line to Jesse's son, David's reign a kingdom won. In every name God's promise clear, his redemption drawing near. Oh, redeemed and restored by grace, in the lineage of faith we find our place. From Ruth's bold heart to David's throne, God's love and mercy clearly shone. At the city gate a Redeemer stands. Boaz speaks with righteous hands to redeem the land, and Ruth his bride in God's great plan.